Right, so here we go. Take two. We've just sold a little mini truck, Hijet Deck van, and I'm going to pick the new owners from the station, which is 5 minutes away. And we've had a lot of people asking how it drives, and so I thought I'd take you for a little drive. There's our custom speedo face, but we've also got this in which the new customers liked, so we've left it in for them. I quite like it as well because it's not only a speedo, but it's also got different readouts like battery, etc. This we find we get a lot of. Might be able to squeeze through there. Hang on. No. Sorry. See how little that is. Honestly, that is testament to why you should get a small car. It was probably nice if the guy hadn't blocked an entry across a bridge. And I'm going to go nice and steady here because these are the most aggressive speed bumps in these three speed bumps. They work, but it's not just because it's a little mini truck that I'm going slow, it's because they are awful. So yeah, it's got an absolutely incredible turning circle. Automatic, they do come automatic or manual. As with everything Japanese, it's going to be a preference, but I prefer everything to be automatic. It is just, I cannot see any reason to have manual cars anymore. These are so much easier. It's literally stop and go. We've had a number of mini trucks. This one, by far the comfiest. We've still got the electric one, which isn't quite as comfy as this. These are like captain seats, but the pickup version of this is nowhere near as comfortable because your seat's against the bulkhead. And this is how close the station is to our unit. So it's a 5 minute walk, but it does look like rain, so I'm going to go pick the people up. There's the S8 head unit. Oh, and there they are. So we're just going to pull in on one side for them. And I'll terminate the video there.